sine of 15 degrees, a version of it that was called is, we can write it as sine of 45 degrees minus a 30 degrees. Why can't I choose? Great, I was hoping someone does. 60. Let's see, both of them lead to the same answer. It better should, yeah? It will. So the only thing would be try not to use 12 plus 3. I don't know the exact value of sine 12s and cosine 3s and all that. So work with the values that you know of, Bria. You keep working with this. We'll catch up with this version. We'll see if we meet at the same place. Cool? Okay? Wonderful. So how do you implement your subtraction formula now? Sine. Anybody, can I just distribute this? Tempted to, but is subtraction formula telling you to just distribute it? No. There's a method to this so-called process. So how do you want to write sine 45? In place of A is 45, in place of B is 30. Cosine 30, is it a plus or a minus? Minus cosine multiplying. Nice. What did I ask you to keep that calculator away for a few minutes? Constant dependence to get these numbers. Maybe a tendency, but then let's see. This is equal to sine 45 degrees. Square root of 2 over 2. Cosine 30. Square root of 3 over 2. Taking away cosine 45. Sine 30. 1/2 it is, indeed. I'm interested, what other version can there be? I want to know. Could you have also done sine 150 minus sine 135? 150 and 135. Those are also products of 45s and 30s. But this seems to be the simplest reasoning, yeah? Okay? So this will end up to be, do you know to combine these things now? Multiply and combine to give an exact answer. Square root of 2 times the square root of 3. What happens over there? Square root of 6. Both have the same common denominator of 2. Or are they multiplying? 2 times 2. Minus the square root of 2. That's how I would leave the answer for one of the ways to get to it. Again, please, mind you, it's not about putting it on the calculator and giving a decimal string of terms after the decimal point. Okay? The objective is to write an exact answer this way. Okay? Let's check those who have sine 60 minus 45. Sine of 60 minus 45, did it end up to be similar answer? Sine 60 cosine 45 minus cosine 60 sine 45 is also going to give you the same answer. Very good. Very good. Any questions? Get the